Hello friends, welcome to my channel Khushi Institute of Technology. I am chemistry teacher KN Pandey from Varanasi. This video is very useful for those students who is not attempt these questions. Sodium is converted sodium ion Na plus and chlorine is converted chloride ion. In this video we study how it is possible positive and negative ion carry sodium and chloride. With the help of some rules follow, then apply every type of elements in periodic table. Let us consider chemistry lecture 2. How can we find that any element have cation and anion? Here look at C, sodium converted sodium ion and once again chlorine converted chloride ion. It is possible with the help of Bohr and Bury rule. Basic fundamental for class 9. Rule first in Bohr-Bury octet rule. Here first question arises, what is octet rule? Look at C. According to this rule, 8 electron to be complete in the cell in any way sense donate and exception. For second rule, the maximum number of electrons that can be accommodated in a cell is equal to n square. According to Bohr rule, most important things to n square, where n is the number of cell 1 2 3 4 etc. Rule number third, electrons may go into a new outer cell although inner cells are incompletely filled. We describe this sentence. Rule number 3, you can see this picture 1 2 3 4. The number of cell KLMN 1 2 3 4. Quantum numbers. What is quantum numbers? We briefly describe class 11th, but in this case the number of cell K is equal to 1, L 2, M 3, N 4. Increase number of quantum number also increase. Number of cell is equal to, in case number of cell, N is equal to 1, maximum number of electron 2, N is equal to 2, maximum number of electron 8, N is equal to 3, maximum number of electron 18, and N is equal to 4, maximum number of electron we find 32. Once again look at the sentence, electrons may go, means the number of electron first cells fully completely, then goes second cell, although first cell are fully fulfilled, then goes next electron, next cell. And let us discuss rule number 3. With the help of rule, follow step rule 1 2 and 3. In case of number of electron many electrons, the number of atomic numbers. Here sodium is equal to 11. Sodium is equal to 11. 11 also divided with the help of electronic configuration with the rule of Bohr-Bury rule. We can divide it 2, 8 and 1. Next we discuss for given example how can find out positive and negative charge on any elements. Here basic some important things to all students remember. 2, 8, 8, 18, 18, 32 are known as magic number with the find out atomic number in periodic table. And second, all noble gas atoms except those of helium have 8 electrons in outermost cell. Very most things in periodic tables, any elements follow these characters. Noble gases in outer cells have 8 electrons. In except helium has the 2 electrons, but follow are equal to the noble gases. And last, with the help of C.N. Lewis put the forth of idea that existence of 8 electron in valence cells make in electronic configuration escapably stable. In last step discuss here, in outer cell, in last cell, in any way to make a 8 electron in any way, donate and accept. In case of donation and exception, donation has a positive charge, exception has a negative charge. We can discuss for some example with the help of some rule. Once again discuss for this topic most important rule, octet rule. What is octet rule? In last outer cells, the elements have 8 electrons are called octet rule. Let us we discuss for some example which types of ion given below elements. Sodium, aluminium, calcium, magnesium, chlorine, oxygen and carbon. Find out which types of ion. In both of elements, positive and negative ion exist in all elements. Sodium has which types of ion? Positive or negative. Follow some rule. Basic rule is here. In outer cell, the number of electron given below. If you can electronic configuration of atomic number 11, you can divide it 281, aluminium 283, calcium 2882, magnesium 282, chlorine 287, oxygen 26, carbon 24. You can see the box, the number of electron in circular in a box 1, 3, 2, 2, 7, 6 and 4. In outer cell, always you look electronic configuration in outer cell with the help of basic rule. If last outermost cell 0, no any charge, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Always you remember and that electrons has complete 8 electron are stable elements and octet are complete. We discuss 1 electron is equal to 1 positive charge, 2 electron in outermost shell is equal to 2 positive charge, 3 electron in outer cells are also equal to 3 positive charge. Then both are gives 4 which types of number if varies in outer cell both have charge according to conditions apply here, positive and negative. Look at see for some example. And 5 6 7 also equal negative charge. How can we find negative charge? Here basic sum rule. Number of negative charge 8, number of electron minus 8 is equal to positive negative charge and negative charges. Look at see 1. You can see here sodium has 1 positive charge because in outer shell has number of electron 1. Also remember 4 are less than 4. 4 are less than 4 also equal to positive charge. Always equal to positive charge. How many positive charge? How many positive charge? Then you can see here 1 positive charge, 2 positive charge, 3 positive charge, and 4 is belonging to positive and negative charges. And here 8 are octet completed and more stable place. Every elements to convert in last number of electron in 8 in any way. Negative charges. Look at see 3 aluminium has the outer shell electron number 3. Here aluminium has a 3 positive charge. Calcium has 2 positive charge because in outer shell number of electron 2. Chlorine has a 1 positive charge. Look at see chlorine outermost shell electron 7. 7 minus 8 is equal to minus 1. Minus 1 charge carry on chloride ion known as a chloride ion. For negative ion you will remember balance number of valence electron minus 8. Look at C7 6 oxygen has a valence electron 6 minus 8 is equal to minus 2. You will also everywhere see everywhere oxygen has a 2 minus charge. How it is possible? For this method. And carbon, I also say to you carbon has a 4 number of valence electron, 4 positive electron and 4 negative, 4 plus and 4 minus. Also remember if in condition donation has a positive charge, exception has a negative charge. Look at C CCl4 in case of chlorine has positive charge, carbon has a positive charge. How many positive charge? Here 4 positive charge. CH4 carbon has a minus 4 negative charges. In case of positive and negative you will follow some step for any elements. Look at see Carbon has 1 positive charge, aluminium has 3 positive charge, calcium has a 2 positive charge, magnesium has a 2 positive charge, chlorine has a 1 minus charge, oxygen has a 2 minus charge. In case of carbon, carbon has a one things, carbon has a non-metallites, metallites, because he is very positive and negative. Here some reasons: positive charge, negative charge, positive and negative. That elements express positive charge are known as metal. Negative charge are known as non-metals, and that elements exist positive and negative charge metalloids. These things very most important. You will see, look at see, you can say that property, that's elements metal, non-metal, metalloids. Once again I say to that videos as completed, you can see and follow this step, and you calculate the number of cation and anion for any elements. Thank you.